In this video, we are going to be looking at Kartoon Studios, ticker TOON. It is down 2% today, but what do we really need to be paying attention to with this stock? Because I keep seeing this commented saying, oh, they keep having these price target hikes. Is it going to go to the upside? Is it going to fly? And to me, this seems like one or two stocks, either a potential short squeeze, but, overall going to stay on the lows over time, or a pump and dump. Which I guess probably two of the same things anyway. But the reason I say that is, again, just looking at the stock, firstly, zoom out. It's a reverse stock split stock. Whenever you see this, I don't know why people like holding these stocks for the long term. Yes, in that rare chance, a short squeeze, there can be money made. But if you're holding stocks like this, most people aren't even taking those profits. You end up just holding anyway. But whenever you see a reverse stock split, it just shows you, firstly, the company is fundamentally weak. They cannot even stay within the NASDAQ listing requirements, so they have to artificially pump the stock by obviously doing that reverse stock split. But whenever you see this, shareholders, any institutions are really going to be getting out. The only ones you see hold this is going to be the retail traders, unless it's some sort of ETF or fund that needs to be holding it for a certain reason. But that's why you see when they have the reverse stock split, you sell off so heavy because all you've done is you diluted shareholder value and you've told everyone looking at this stock, you're not worthy. You can't even stay listed. So again, as soon as I see this, it's usually when I start not liking a stock, I won't hold it long term because again, it just shows weakness. And since then, obviously, we are staging near those lows. We don't need to do a reverse stock split as of yet. We're still staying above that $1 listed. Don't know how long we'll be doing that for. Wouldn't be holding my breath that we can do that to the end of the year, but who knows. And also key on this stock is where has fair value gone. So fair value is actually at a level we've not even hit before, and that's because this stock is so weak. So fair value is between $1.15 and $1.40, which are these grey dashed lines. Again, we've never gone that low. So why is fair value here? And it's because what it does is it includes the probability of where the price will be going. And that's why if you zoom out, you can see standard deviation channel, for example, really strong downtrend on the 6 month, really strong downtrend on the 1 year. Because again, go back a year, you were 12.40, go back 6 months, you were 8.10, you now down at $1. This isn't going to change. You'll continue to see this stock sell off. And that's why it prices in this downside move, because it knows it's going to go lower. So as of right now, you could even consider this stock a bit overbought. Again, that's just looking at stocks from kind of reasonable standard deviation standpoint. But if we do start continuing up, if you are one of those long bias traders, we have resistances at $3.07 and $3.55. So these would be targets for me if I was long bias, which I'm not. But that's what I'd be using as a target. If we were able to break that, we then have resistances at $5, $5.75. Now, this is where I get interested in the stock. This is where I look to trade at short bias. They do have options. Hard to borrow those, so that's how I'll be looking to trade it through the option chain. But I will be looking to play it to the downside if we could push to this side. Not to say we are going to push to $5 because that is still quite an overbought area. But if we are able to get a bit of strength and we push to that size, I'm going to be short biased because I don't think a move above that level will hold at all. So I'm looking at that if we push up. And then we also have a level at $6.95 and $8, which are, again, those more resistances. So basically any level above $5, I'm looking at short bias as a reversal trader. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video because you'll probably enjoy that one too.